This is a complete 9-storey demolition, former Ministry of Justice building, and it's going to be turned into apartments.
We've supplied Lee Demolition with the brand new 355 breaker. It's a brand new range for rammer. It's part of the small range, designed to fill a gap between the compact range and the larger small range. The rammer hammer is famous for being one of the most reliable, one of the most powerful brands on the market. We've also supplied them with the 777.
This hammer is mainly used for knocking out floors and concrete beams, separate the concrete from the rebar and the steel in the floors. The durability of the hammer, the design of the hammer, the movable couplings, the hose lengths, and to be honest, just worth its weight in gold.
This site is running to a very tight demolition programme. Getting the rammer hammers has made an immense difference to speed of the work we're doing. The hammers we were using before, it was taking approximately a day to take out the central core. With the rammer hammers, these cores have been taken out in a matter of a couple of hours.
I wouldn't let it go, to be honest. That's my hammer now and it's staying with me.